In this question, it is given that if the x-intercept of a focal chord of the parabola y square equal to 8x plus 4y plus 4 is 3, then the length of this chord is equal to dash. You have to fill in the blank. From the equation of parabola, it is clear that because it is quadratic in y, hence it is sure that the parabola will be horizontal. And first of all, I convert this equation in standard form. That is, it can be written as y square minus 4y equal to 8x plus 4. That is y minus 2 whole square equal to 8x plus 8. That is y minus 2 whole square equal to 8 into x plus 1. From the equation of parabola, it is clear that the vertex of this parabola is at the point minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2 is somewhere here, and it is also clear from the equation of parabola that it will be opening towards right side, and then it is given that there is a focal chord passing to the point 3, 0, and you have to find the length of this focal chord. That is, you have to find the length AB. Because if I use this formula, then it will become difficult for me to use the standard formulas of a parabola. Therefore, for me to be able to use standard formulas, I shift the vertex of this parabola to origin. And after shifting, parabola will become this. Minus 1, 2 has become 0, 0. The new equation of this has become y square equal to 8x. That is, capital Y is y minus 2 and capital X is x plus 1. And keeping these two formulas in mind, to find the new coordinate of the point 3, 0, putting x equal to 3, capital X become 4. And putting y equal to 0, capital Y become minus 2. That is, this is the point 4 minus 2, and the chord is passing through the point 4 minus 2. It is also clear that 4a is 8, that is a is 2. If a is 2, it means the chord is passing through the point 2, 0. Because 2, 0 is somewhere here, because this is 4 minus 2, 2, 0 must be somewhere here. Therefore, this will become the figure of straight line. And this is the point A and this is the point B. Actually, the chord is not of this type, chord is of this type. Let parameter of this point is T1, parameter of this point is T2, and we know that if this is focal chord, T1 into T2 will be minus 1. And we know that equation of the line joining T1 and T2 is T1 plus T2 into y equal to 2x plus 2a. This is the formula. And here a is 2 and T1, T2 is minus 1. Therefore, the equation of chord becomes T1 plus T2 into y equal to 2x minus 4. Putting a equal to 2 and T1, T2 equal to minus 1. And because the chord is passing through the point 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 will satisfy this. That is T1 plus T2 into minus 2 equal to 4. That is T1 plus T2 is minus 2. Now T1, T2 is known to us. T1 plus T2 is known to us. It is better if you can remember this formula directly, that if for a focal chord one endpoint has parameter T1, other endpoint has parameter T2, then the length AB is given by A into T1 minus T2 whole square. If you want to use this formula, then your answer will be 2 into T1 plus T2 whole square minus 4 T1 T2. That is 2 into T1 plus T2 is minus 2. Therefore, I get minus 2 whole square minus 4 into minus 1. That is equal to 16. Hence, the length of focal chord is 16. Otherwise, if you don't know this formula, we can proceed in this way also, that AB is equal to under root. This point has coordinate 81 square to 81. That is 2T1 square comma 4T1. That is 2T1 square minus 2T2 square whole square plus 4T1 minus 4T2 whole square equal to under root T1 square minus T2 square whole square plus 4 into T1 minus T2 whole square. That is 2 under root T1 minus T2 whole square into T1 plus T2 whole square plus 4. This is equal to 2 under root T1 plus T2 whole square minus 4 T1 T2 into T1 plus T2 whole square plus 4. That is 2 into T1 plus T2 whole square plus 4 because T1 T2 is minus 1. That is 2 into, because T1 plus T2 is minus 2, hence putting the value here, I get 4 plus 4 equal to 16.